Mr. President, first, let us congratulate you for your new role and other new elected members. On behalf of the federal government of Somalia and under the esteemed leadership of our President, His Excellency Dr. Hassan Sheikh Mohamud, we are deeply honored to accept our application for full membership in the International Atomic Energy Agency. This momentous occasion represents a significant milestone for Somalia, highlighting our unwavering commitment to international cooperation, peace, and responsible use of advanced technology for the betterment of our citizens. Somalia's membership in the IAEA is a vital step in our nation's journey toward growth and development. We firmly believe that nuclear science and technology, when utilized for peaceful purpose, hold remarkable potential to help us tackle some of our most pressing challenges, for enhancing healthcare and agriculture, to improve the management of our natural resources and strengthening our resilience against climate change. We are inspired by the transformative possibilities that nuclear solutions offer. By becoming a member of the IAEA, Somalia seeks to unlock the benefit of a nuclear technology in a manner that is safe, secure, sustainable, and fully aligned with international standards and regulations. We are eager to engage with our fellow member states and the IAEA Secretariat, drawing on the agency's invaluable expertise in energy production, radiation protection, and nuclear safety. We look forward to actively participating in the global exchange of knowledge and best practices, contributing to the collective mission. We are truly grateful for our warm welcome into this remarkable family, and we look forward to collaborating together to shape a brighter future. On behalf of the federal government of Somalia, we are very grateful to be here with you today, and we are very committed to uplift the principle of the organization as we embark this new chapter of collaboration with the IAEA. Somalia reaffirms its commitment to the principle of the Treaty on the non-proliferation of nuclear weapons and pledges to advance international initiatives that ensure nuclear technology is exclusively used for a peaceful purpose. We are devoted to working alongside the IAEA and the global community to ensure that nuclear science and technology serve as a catalyst for development, security, and peace. Our nation is one of the honorees international laws and treaties, and we are dedicated to uplifting this principle. In conclusion, we extend our heartfelt gratitude to the IAEA and its member states for this invaluable opportunity. We look forward to fruitful and mutual beneficial membership. I submit, Your Excellency.
I thank the distinguished representative of the Federal Republic of Somalia. I want again to extend on behalf of the conference congratulations to the Federal Republic of Somalia on being approved for membership of the agency.